So Larry Boy has definitely figured out the bottle. And he's decided that he is faster if he drinks straight on. Yeah, Joe's with me helping today. Hey, Joe. She gives the babies kisses. Good job, Larry Boy. Too bad we can't generate power with tails, huh? Generate power with tails. Joe, are you going to give Larry Boy kisses? Hey, Jojo. You going to give Larry Boy some kisses? Aww. Oh, you distracted him. Yeah, those kisses distracted him. Not quite as fast as everybody else, so he always has to finish his bottle outside the pen, or his roommates here will knock him off. Who's over there? A mama and some babies. Be nice. We have an audience here to the side. Yeah. Sometimes the mamas get nervous with Joe in the barn. Keep going, Larry. You're almost done. All right, Joe. Any more kisses? Huh?